Hey guys, welcome back to Old School Bodybuilding. So today I wanted to follow up with a video that I recently published about Steve Davis and Vince Gironda, a little superset workout. And it includes dumbbell lateral raises along with bent over lateral raises. So I just wanted to demonstrate it for you guys. So as you can see here in the video, I'm standing with feet together, toes out a little bit. And we start with the dumbbells down at the bottom, of course. And as we bring the dumbbells up, we try to lead with the elbows and let the hands follow. And at the top, we try to pretend like we're pouring out water, if you remember correctly. That's the best way I can describe it, is try to pour that water out at the top of the movement and really keep that back bell up at the top. And also make sure that you're breathing out on the way up. And so here, right after, you go right into the bent over lateral raises, excuse me. And again, lead with the elbows, thumbs facing down. Nice smooth cadence. Now I typically don't touch the bells down at the bottom, but that's to keep the tension on the muscle. So really simple exercise, guys. You know, give it a shot in your shoulder routine and let me know what you guys think. Alright, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think about this superset in the comment section. Thanks guys.